Good day guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have these Dice branded Funko Pop protectors. Okay, these are our dice protectors right here. It is 0.5 mm in thickness. It's made out of PET plastic. It also does have a protective film with it, so as to protect the plastic from scratching. And it also have an auto-locking bottom, like the other one we have unboxed previously. So that's the branding right there. Dice, D-I-C-E, right there. So these are Dice Funko Pop protectors. So let's get one right now and assemble it in its box form. So there you go with our auto-locking bottoms. There's the branding right there. Dice Funko Pop protectors. So it's not so clear right now because it still have plastic film on all sides. But that is the form we are going for right there. We are going to get our Funko Pop toy right here. So this is Super Saiyan 3 Goku right there. So this is a special edition, and still a Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop toy figure. So all we have to do is drop him like so to our dice protector, nice and tight right there. And then all you have to do is really close the top and you're good to go. But as you can see, it's not that clear, right? It still have plastic protective film on all surfaces. So you know what we gotta do, right? It is peeling time. So after peeling the protective film or plastic around the surfaces of our protector, you can see now that it's more clear right there. Yeah. So if we drop our Super Saiyan 3 Goku on our dice protector right now and close it, it should look something like this. So it's clear, right? There you go.
Perfect.
So for comparison, this one is our Funko Tector, which we have unboxed and reviewed previously. Link right here and on our video description. And this one is the one we unboxed today. This is the dice protector for our Funko Pop toys as well. So there's not really much difference in terms of appearance for both of these protectors. They almost look identically the same. They also feel the same way if you press on them on these creased edges, because right there you can feel how sturdy they are in terms of what brand you are using. So as you can see, even on the sides they have the same crease right there. So on top they also look the same, and all locking bottoms are the same, although we have dice branding right here, and on the other one we have Funko Tector. So I would say that they are equally the same in my review, or in my opinion. They also protect our Funko Pop toys the same and as effectively. So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Dice brand Funko Pop protectors. So as you can see, we have compared this one with the previous one we have unboxed, right? The Funko Tector, which is also a brand of Funko Pop toy protectors, right? So stay tuned to the channel for maybe another brand. I think the one that is coming in is the Boss Protector. So we have the Funko Tector before, now we have the Dice protectors, and what's coming in I think is the Boss Protector, B-O-S-S, Boss Funko Pop toy protectors. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I hope you have liked our video today, and if you have comments and inquiries about this, please comment down below. If you liked our video today, please toss a like down there. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload our future videos. So please also follow us on our social media links right here. So once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on the next video.